here we're going to look at setting up a real life problem, except we're using an inequality. When you get down to the question part, you can tell what makes it an inequality, but first we'll read it. They say a room rental costs $34 plus $7.90 per hour. You want to spend less than $73.50 on the room total. What possible amounts of time could you use the room for? See what it says, what possible amounts of time? So you don't have to exactly use up every cent in your budget. You could do equal to or less than any amount, or in this one they say strictly less than. So we want to look for keywords like 34 plus or in addition to, they'll sometimes say. Obviously means added, so 34 plus something else. Per is a really good keyword that tells us we're multiplying something. So it's not 790, it's 790 per hour, so 790 times the number of hours. And then down here they actually even tell us what letter they want us to use for the number of hours. So if I'm thinking, okay, my cost is $34 plus $7.90 per hour, and I'm using T for hours, so $7.90 times T or 7.9 times T, and then you want to spend less than, so strictly less than, you want it to open towards the $73.50 because you want your total to be smaller than $73.50. So once you get it set up, then we can just do our normal steps to solve the inequality. So probably subtract 34 from both sides. And so we have 790T is less than 39.50, and divide both sides by 7.9. So T is less than 5. I think what that means in terms of the actual problem is you could use the room for anything that's, as long as it's less than 5 hours and be under $73.50. So you could use it for almost 5 hours, you could use it for 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour. You just want to be under your budget. You don't have to use your whole budget up. It doesn't need to be equal to 5.